So today it's time to take a look at the new Mlove speaker. So this is the P2. So in the past I had tested out this speaker. It's a pretty solid speaker but no logo on the front. It's a bit more like simplified speaker. But the audio is decent. But with this speaker they did mention in the comments or in the description, they focus a bit more on the build quality and also improve the audio bit on the overall bass side, they said. So I'm curious if they can deliver. So the fun thing about this speaker is it's not really a rounded speaker like with this one. It even has a bit of curves. So you do have the cables, even a rope, which is pretty handy. So let's put that all aside. So the speaker is a bit different than the previous one. So on the front you have the logo on this one, so not on the passive radiators, which do have a 3D design. I do prefer this one over this design because it's cool, the logo, and this glossy passive radiators, but it's fingerprint magnet and it's not very solid build maybe on the sides. So let's take a look at the new one. So this one has 4 like sides, so this means you can place a speaker like this. You can even place it a bit like this, so it's pretty handy actually. Also on the side, also on this side, it has some feet on the side, so as with this one you can place it like this, but I do think it's pretty cool they have made this design. So let's turn it on, because it also has light show on the sides, if it wants to turn on. There it is. So you can see, as with that speaker, you have some LED lights. So I will put this rope here behind, and then we're going to do some audio testing.
Taught to be nice, ain't about winning, don't talk to me twice. I don't play dice, I'll make a move on the board, it's precise. The fuck is the price? I took a fiddle and dipped in the ice. I took a call and now I'm on a flight. Crew heading east, got a booking tonight. First stop is Atlanta, I got breakfast plans at the Waffle House. Next up is Miami, I'm in South Beach, what we talk about. Show out, we in Brooklyn, I'm on Flatbush and we rocking out. Then a red eye to Los Angeles, got a rich bitch waiting on the couch. Life's gonna try to hold you back. They gon' tell you that you still got time. Any minute this could all fade to black. That's why we run it up. I want more, it's not enough.
You just a foreigner. Is that all you got? Come on, you boring us. Hey, looking for the champ, we on the way. Now's your chance to say it to my face. I'ma take the title to my grave. Spiritual, I turn you all to pay.
I drop bombs, yeah, I got pipes and mambo and python. Chopping all bombs, I drop bombs, yeah, I got pipes like mambo and python.
Watch your step, look out for mine. You don't want to cross the line. Eyes is full of dollar signs. I'ma take what's mine.
This is war.
This is war, chaos. Way too much in the